Hey guys, Trevor here with How To Apps. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a story in Snapchat and then how to save that story. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a quick snap, draw on it a little bit, make a little smiley face, and then I'm going to send that to my story. So then now we can see that's in my story. We can tap there and then just see that we just created that story. And say potentially we want to just save that. What you can do is you can tap the little button where it says just now. If you want to save this specific story, you can tap there, and you can see at the bottom right hand corner there's a little save button. You can also press the three buttons here and then hit the save button. But there we go, and then basically that saved it to your photos. So if we go over to your photos, then you can see that we've just saved that snap story. So that's an easy way to save it in case you want to use it later on or send to somebody on iMessage or whatnot. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel below. Thanks for watching.